The 45-year history of Linde Corporation started off in a small town of Honesdale and quickly evolved into the Wyoming Valley to handle the Agnes flood rehabilitation, redevelopment, and then moved into the Clean Water Act, where we developed infrastructure and sanitary systems for towns. Then immediately moved into the big box development, take care of the distribution system of the area. Linde Corporation is presently focused on the Marcellus shale gas. We are providing all services from the installation of the pipe to the delivery of water to the rail yard developments in this area, and we expect to have this market sustain us and our employees and partners for the next 30 to 40 years.
Linde is really synonymous with utilities. The basis started with sewer installation. A natural progression was water installation, then gas distribution systems, storm drainage, both municipal and private markets. In addition to that was the installation and construction of water treatment plants, wastewater treatment plants, conveyance systems, and the like. It has made us a better company, more rounded company to move with the demands of the market. We have the capacity to do our own concrete construction, our mechanical, electrical facilities. With the growth of the Marcellus shale in our region, the work we've done to date has really come to a culmination of the well-rounded need of that industry to prepare us to be successful. And that's the way Linde does things.
Our owner is old school. The way he believes in doing things is spending quite a bit of time and resources on repairing. We have a very extensive fleet that has a lot of hours on it. In the last few years, we've gone through some great growth. A lot of the equipment now, our fleet's probably 45% larger than it has been. We've gone from 22 employees in the maintenance department to about 42. The productivity doubles what would be industry standard, just the way Linde does things.
Linde Corporation does big box site work. Our contracts will include the clearing, which would be the first part. We will then come in, do the grading work, which would entail anywhere from hundreds of thousands to 1 million yards of excavation and site prep. After that, we would put the infrastructure in, which would include the roads, the drainage, the water system. And a lot of this site work that we do, there's not that many big firms that will take on this project, so you basically deal with the same people again and again and again. When you get invited back to the table, you know you did your job right. And that's the way Linde does things.
Carbondale Transload facility was an idea that we came up with several years ago in regards to all the Marcellus shale activity in the area. Sayre Transload, like Carbondale Transload, was a joint venture between Linde and the Railroad Associates Corporation. Out of both yards, we offer transportation in and out of either bulk products, liquids, sludges, or dry van services. Linde is a 50-year-old local company to northeastern Pennsylvania, and we are involved in many aspects of Marcellus shale, from pipeline to pad and site construction to the rail yards themselves. Linde has seen many opportunities in Marcellus shale, and when those opportunities arise, we react, and that's just the way Linde works.
Linde is a local contractor. We have a background in earthwork and gas pipeline installation. We were uniquely positioned to get involved with this Marcellus shale work early on. We are doing gathering lines. We do work anywhere from tying in the wells right up to 16 and 20-inch pipe. We also build drill pads for the downhole drills for the gas company in certain areas. We are situated within 35 to 40 miles from most of the work in this area. We can be here in a hurry. We can get forces back here if we need them in an emergency situation. We do it right. We do it quickly. We do it on time, and that's the way Linde does business.
Transload allows us to do long distances, anywhere from a couple hundred feet to several thousand feet. Linde does several different methods. We do conventional bores with casing bores, both augering and ramming. But the biggest part of our work today in trenchless is horizontal directional drilling. The big bonus to this and why it's being utilized so much in the gas industry is that the minimal impact to the environment. We're drilling under streams and wetlands, very environmentally sensitive areas, and we're doing a good job at it. Not only can we handle it from a professional standpoint, but we have a lot of experience dealing with DEP and the environmental agencies, and that's an important part of this work. Linde has been doing it for a long time. We've never been unsuccessful at a bore, and that's the way Linde does things.